Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure of the Lincoln Park Zoo in Chicago, Illinois. That is right. In this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure of the Lincoln Park Zoo and see what this zoo has to offer. So here we are in Chicago. Here's the east entrance of the Lincoln Park Zoo, and let's go ahead and begin our adventure. So here we are beginning our adventure of the for the east gate. Here you can see where we are, and here is the map of the Lincoln Park Zoo. Pretty cool zoo, and the thing that I like about this zoo is that admission is free. The best thing about this zoo is that the admission is free, and here, this is one of the top places that you should visit when you are in Chicago. So here we are. We have several attractions. Here's what you will see if you enter through the east gate. There's also the west gate. And you can, for a fee, of course, and go on a VR experience. Here's the gift shop for the Lincoln Park Zoo. Here, this is a popular attraction in Chicago. Here you have several, many more people walking around. This is this zoo offers free admission, and here you have several things to explore inside of the Lincoln Park Zoo. So yeah. So as we walk around inside of the Lincoln Park Zoo, let's go ahead and see one of these animals inside this building. See what we have here. Here we have these smokestacks. And here we have a bird. And let's go ahead and check out this birdhouse. So here is the birdhouse. Here you can see several birds flying around in this environment. Pretty cool. And here you have this exhibit. Here you can see birds. And as we move away, you can be inside of this environment. We're going to explore their own ecosystem. And here you have this pretty cool looking bird. So we are back outside, and we're about to check out this building. So this building is the Africa exhibit. Let's go ahead and go through these doors. Here you have this educational center. You can learn more about Africa. Here you have more of these environments. Here you can see caretakers of the zoo. Thank you. Pretty amazing how they can replicate this inside this building. We have these environments, different types of environments. Here we have a crocodile. Here you have more things things to explore. And you have these huts.
I'll change her when I get a minute.
And here you have these water features. Let's see if we can see a hippo. So after walking around, here's more things to check out inside this Africa exhibit. And let's see what we can find outside here. And here you can see the zebra in its environment. Really loving the stripes. So that's it for the zebra. Here's a giraffe. So here you can get a up close look of the giraffe, always munching on its food. Really love the patterns on the giraffe. Pretty neat. So we are at the North Gate. Here you can see where we go through. And let's go ahead and explore the southern part of the zoo. So we are at the center of the zoo where we first started. Now we're going to explore the southern part of the Lincoln Park Zoo. This zoo is one of the famous zoos in the country. This zoo, the brief history about this zoo is this zoo opened in 1868 and it has grown ever since. And this is one of the more iconic zoos. And if you're in Chicago, I really recommend checking out not just the zoo, but Lincoln Park in general. Lincoln Park has so many things to offer. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out this building. So here's what it looks like inside of this building. Here we have different environments for these different types of living organisms, creatures, animals, all that kind of stuff. And that's it for that building. Here you can also take a stroll with these water features. And here are the beautiful flamingos. Pretty neat and relaxing. So those are the flamingos in the distance, and look how beautiful this scenery is. So much greenery. And you can also explore more of the Lincoln Park Zoo by just walking around. Here are some concession stands. And like I said, the main highlight is that this is free to anybody. You don't have to pay an admission to visit the Lincoln Park Zoo. I really recommend not just checking out Lincoln Park Zoo, but checking out Lincoln Park in general. So yeah, that will do it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. Here's a beautiful view of the John Hancock Center with this lake of inside Lincoln Park. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment section below what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.